Okay, so this tutorial will show you how to edit the gallery page on the SSL website. So this is the description part, the images part of the website. Uh, so log into your admin, uh, like was the first instruction on a video for the hire page. Log into the administration page. So once you have logged in, then go to the pages, uh, edit the gallery page. So once you have done, it will show you up the gallery page editor. So these are the description part. Once again, this is HTML code. So on this part, this is the main description that we have in here. You can edit this if you want. So this is a short code or not short code for this website for the slider or images slider gallery. So same as with this one, same as HTML code. So this is our description. So okay, we're done here. So once you want to edit the description of the gallery, then you just edit it here. Just put some description here, whatever you want. So once you're done with this, just click the update. Then you're done. So now I will be able to edit the how will we be able to edit the images on the gallery page? We add new or delete some images or whatever you want. So let's go to the admin page. On the admin page, uh, go to the on the left side menu. Click the gallery. Okay. So once you have clicked the gallery, we have okay, so click the two gallery pages. So once we're on the manage gallery, we as you can see we have the testimonials, images, and the gallery page. So we will be editing the gallery page. So click the gallery page. These are the images in the gallery pages. So as you can see, we have all lots of images here, which is already viewing on a uh, gallery page. So how would you be able to delete this one? So if you want to delete or let's say for example edit the picture or the thumbnail size, whatever you want. Oh, sorry, something like that. So let's say we will be deleting this one. So let's see, just click the delete button. So once you have delete, just once you have click the delete button, it will automatically remove to the gallery or slider images. So for this tutorial, I will not do anything here. I will just explain to you how will this works. So once you've done editing, just click the save, whatever you want, or just select the images you want to create a transaction here. So for this one, you can create a new thumbnail, resize the images, cover the backup or something like that, or what you can just do whatever you want here. So let's say for example we will be sorting the gallery. So click the sort. So once you're done, these are the sorting page. What would you do is just drag the image whatever you want. So let's say for example, we will be putting this picture as the first slide. So once we're done, you just drag the image, okay, to reposition the images. Okay, so once you're done, then just click the update sort order. So we're done. Then go to manage gallery again. So as you can see, we have 39 images. Okay, so if you want to add another images, then we will go to add gallery or images. Okay, so once you're on the add images or gallery, on this drop down menu, click the gallery page. Once you have clicked the gallery page, add slides. Okay, so just click on the add files, then select the images you want to add. So let's say for example I have images here. Let's say for this one. Okay, so once you have added, you can add as many as images as you want. Then just click the upload. Okay, and as you can see, status is here, 40%, something like that. So once you're done uploading, so it will have a message something like here top. So once you're done, go back again to manage gallery. So once you so on the manage gallery, click again the gallery page. As you can see, the image is already now 42. Okay. So once you're here, as you can see, the three images we added is already here. So let's click the refresh. Let's refresh the gallery so that we can see the images we have newly added. So as you can see, the images, the new images we added is already there. Taking long to do because of the internet connection. Sorry about that. So as you can see, I have one new images here already. So here's the one, second, third. Okay. So we will be editing this one. We will be deleting it now. Okay. So on the gallery page, just check the images you wanted to delete. Then on the drop down menu, select the delete images. Then click the apply. Just okay. So one automatically delete the images. So we have another steps to do. So check all the images, then select the create new thumbnails from the drop down menu, then click the apply. Then you can change the images thumbnail if you want. Then just click OK. It will then generate a new thumbnails for the images. So this is the indicator, the images we are working on it. 5%, then just wait until it's 100%. Okay, so 5% more. Okay, and so done. Okay, then let's take a look again on the website on the gallery page. Click the refresh button on your browser. And done. And as you can see, this is the first image I press on the slide because this is the one we sort out. Okay, it's the first image to appear. So that's all. This is all about the instruction for the gallery page. Thank you.